What outfits are people wearing to music festivals this year? Every festival season, trends shift, but one thing never changes. The outfits that get noticed are not casual festival clothes. They are performance-inspired looks. This year, the biggest festival fashion trend is stagewear crossing into mainstream festival style. People aren't dressing just to attend festivals anymore. They're dressing to be photographed, filmed, and remembered. Let's break down what's actually dominating festival stages right now. First, bodysuits are everywhere. Not loose rompers, not oversized outfits. Structured bodysuits with strong cuts are taking over because they stay in place, define the body, and look powerful under lighting. Mesh panels, cutouts, high leg silhouettes, these details photograph incredibly well and hold their shape even after hours of movement. Second, metallics, sequins, and high shine fabrics. Matte fabrics disappear under stage lights. Shine doesn't. Gold, silver, holographic finishes, and glossy vinyl are dominating stages this year because they reflect light from every angle. That's why performers stand out instantly while the crowd fades into the background. Third, movement-focused details. Fringe, chains, layered fabrics, and flowing panels are everywhere this year. Even when you're standing still, these elements create motion. On stage, movement equals energy, and energy gets attention. Fourth, platform footwear is no longer optional. Flat shoes are practical, but platforms create presence. Chunky platform boots and elevated heels are everywhere because they change posture, silhouette, and confidence instantly. They visually separate performers from spectators. At festivals like Coachella, Tomorrowland, and major EDM events, the most photographed looks all share one thing in common: height and structure. Next trend, intentional layering. Sheer tops over bodysuits, harnesses over fitted sets, statement jackets that come off mid-performance. Layering allows performers to change their look without changing outfits, and that's incredibly powerful on stage. Another major shift this year is less novelty, more polish. Instead of gimmicky festival costumes, people are choosing cleaner silhouettes, higher quality materials, and stronger construction. The result? Outfits that look expensive, confident, and professional. And here's the part most people miss. The outfits that are trending because they work. They survive heat, they survive dancing, they survive long festival days. That's why performers, drag artists, dancers, and DJs shop differently than casual attendees. They choose stagewear, not fashion-only festival outfits. At Stagewear Shop, every piece is designed with these exact trends in mind: structured bodysuits, high-shine performance fabrics, movement-ready details, and platform footwear built for long wear. So if you're planning your next festival and you want to look current, not dated, if you want an outfit that reflects what's actually trending on real stages, visit stagewearshop.com. Explore our festival stagewear and performance footwear collections, because trends change every year, but stage presence never goes out of style.